Editing text in a PDF document is easy with Tungsten Power PDF. First we'll select Edit from the top menu and then Edit Text from the ribbon bar. As you can see, all of the text boxes are outlined throughout the document. Now we can either add, edit or delete text right there in this text box, for example. We can change the font size, colour, weight, line spacing and more. Let's go ahead and make some changes for this line. You can see that we can edit the font. We'll change that and then we'll look at the font size. We can change the colour and then we can change, for example, the character spacing. If you're interested in learning more about Power PDF and its capabilities, we offer both free to access online learning as well as a wealth of technical videos on the Tungsten Demo Center.